Hello everybody, and welcome to my first ever YouTube video, which is also going to be a tutorial. Most of my videos on my channel are going to be tutorials about the Forex market and basically winning strategies that I've learned and kind of perfected. Right, first of all, a little bit about myself. My name's Jack. I've been Forex broking for about a year and a half, nearly 2 years maybe, and yeah, I do it more out of enjoyment than for money gains. I mean, I'm about to start university, so I'm quite young compared to most people that start this, but I've had a keen interest in it since I was 12. But yeah, that's pretty much everything you're going to need to know about me. Getting straight into this though, the strategy I'm going to be talking about is going to be using two indicators. It can be used on any currency pair, and the time frames, I'm not particularly sure how it would work on longer time frames. I haven't really tried it out, but if you do try this strategy out on longer time frames, then please let me know how it goes. I'll be quite interested in the results. But yes, time frames I use are minute 1 and minute 5, simply because I like scalping. I'd like to take small profits over quite a couple of trades and make a larger profit at the end of the day. So the two indicators we're going to be talking about are, and I'm using MetaTrader 4 trading platform. My broker is Trading Point, by the way. Parabolic SAR, yeah, first indicator we're going to be using. You want to just drag and drop that onto your chart that you're going to be using. Parameters should be default 0.02, maximum 0.2. Style, I like to use lime, simply for the fact that the lime sticks out on a black background, easy to read. Okay, second indicator we're going to be using is the average directional movement index, or the ADX as it's more commonly known now. So you just drag and drop that on there. Parameters, period 14. Style, light sea green. You can change that to whatever you want, it's not going to really be needed, but should set default as period 14. Now you want to go to colours and change this to plus DI lime and minus DI as red. Very, very easy then to read it off the chart. You miss quite a few trades dilly-dallying about trying to read what a chart's telling you. So I advise you use two colours that are very easy to read on the backgrounds. So yeah, just click OK. And that's the entire setup that you're going to need. I like to use candlesticks. You can use whatever you want. It works either way with the line chart and the bar chart. But yeah, candlesticks is my favourite. So, it's pretty simple. These here are parabolic SAR or SAR buy signals. You know they're buy simply for the fact that they're underneath the trend line. These signals here are sell signals, these green dots. You can tell that because they're above the trend line. Now, this parabolic SAR signal here is giving me a buy signal, but I would only buy there if the ADX green line, which is a plus DI, is above the ADX red line, which it is, as you can see here. I'm thinking it might be a bit too late to buy here, but I'm just going to do it anyway for sake of example. So buy. So as you can tell, I might have bought this a bit too late, but my profits are down here. I'm not going to touch that. And then you just leave it to go, and your exit strategy is when this green line here crosses back over the red line, then exit. Simple as that. Of course you can exit whenever you want. Whenever you start to feel uncomfortable, then sure, just go for it. Lot sizes, I advise you start off with 0.01, and when you start to feel more comfortable with the strategy, then continue using whatever you want. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's quite a simple one, and it tends to make more profits than losses. I'd say it's got a 90–95% success rate. Even now, when I think I've entered late in this trade, it's not actually doing too badly. It's still going up, and my losses are being cut really quite short here. Look, they've gone from -25 to -16 in the space of maybe 5 minutes, what I'm on about 5 seconds, and they're going to continue to go down until this green line crosses this red line. Of course, once again, it's down to personal preference if you want to exit early, exit late, whatever you want to do, But my advice is stick with the strategy and leave when the green line crosses the red line. You'll make more profits that way and less losses. And as you can tell, even though I feel I entered late, I'm still it's still going up. My profits are still becoming less and less and less with every second that goes past. I'm now down to minus 6p, and I have no doubt that soon that'll be a profit. Yeah, so basically you have to trust this strategy. Try it out on a demo account first, and then yeah, take it, make it go live. Please leave a comment on what you think of this strategy, and if you like this tutorial, then of course subscribe. And if you want me to answer any questions, once again leave them in the comments. And if you want me to test any strategies or ideas you have, then once again leave them in the comments, or even private message me. Okay, then I think that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching.